Hey y'all, and welcome back to another clean with me video. Today's video I have new house transformations. I'll also be giving my small entryway a makeover, so make sure you stay tuned and watch the entire video because we're about to stroll down memory lane so you guys can see the entire transformation of my entryway. But I hope you guys enjoy the video. Make sure you turn me on any of your devices so you can get all of this motivation and inspiration. Now let's get to it. So the first transformation, we needed to change out the lighting in the kitchen, y'all. The lighting in the kitchen is horrible. Even with the windows up and the light on, the lighting is still horrible. So my husband will be changing out the light, and you guys, the transformation is amazing. So make sure you keep watching. He is changing out the lighting right now, and he's trying to figure out what he needed to do to change out the new light. This was not a one-day job. It took a few days because we had to run to the store and get some things to change out the lighting. So yeah, but the end result looks so amazing and it was worth it. Special thanks to Onfaro. I really hope I'm saying the name correctly, but they sent over a LED ceiling light, and you guys, this light is super amazing. So if you are in search of a new light for whatever room you want to change out, check out my description box. I'll have this light linked in my description box because this is a really great light, and you will see the before and afters once my husband finishes up. Alright, so now I'm going to be sharing the before and after clips of the kitchen lighting transformation because it was a huge difference, like a really big difference. And now I can see what I'm doing in my kitchen, y'all. And it just, I don't know, it was just a huge upgrade, y'all. And it looks so much better. The lighting is just so much better. Tell me what you guys think. Alright, so now on to the next transformation. We are about to make over the entryway. I previously started in this entryway about 2 weeks ago. So I did start with the wallpaper. I added in the wallpaper on a previous video, so I'll leave that video linked in my description box if you want to see what I did. I don't have any tricks or tips on how to apply wallpaper. I just did it. It was my first time, but if you want to catch up on that video, I'll leave it in my description box. But this is what I did. I did add in that wreath on top of that calendar, but this is what the entryway closet is looking like. It's a hot mess in here, so I want to go ahead and clean up this space before we start on the next transformation. So for this makeover, I'll only be working on the command center area, which is this area with the wallpaper and the crates. We will be adding in some new additions shortly to this side, but not in this video. So the wall hooks are from H&M, and then the black thing in the plastic is a wall organizer, and that's from H&M as well. So here I'm just trying to measure the area to make sure it's even. And y'all, I still did a horrible job, not even gonna lie. Y'all, I am not a professional, but You guys, I had already like measured the area on the first video where I added the wallpaper, but I just put in like thumbtacks to make sure to see how I wanted the jackets to be hung, to make sure they had enough space. But yeah, now we are about to drill in the wall hooks. Well, my husband is about to get started on the drilling. So if you are enjoying the makeover and the transformations, please don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. And if you are new, go ahead, hit that subscribe button. I'm going to take this time to introduce myself. My name is Ryan Michelle. I am a military wife and a stay-at-home mom. We are currently living in Germany, but if you like cleaning motivational videos, laundry motivational videos, and home transformations, because we have tons to do in this house, so there will be more transformation videos. On my channel I create tons of organization and decluttering videos, so if you like that type of content, I would love to have you. This is what it looks like with the hooks being hung on the wall, and it looks so good, y'all. My vision just came to life and I'm loving it. As you can see, the hook on the far right is a little bit off, but we just went with the flow, y'all. So with the wall organizer, my vision for this was to place the kids' clean mask inside of here. It was previously in the drawer and I just wasn't feeling it because it's a lot going on in our drawer. It's kind of like our junk drawer. So I felt like this was the perfect thing to add in here. It's super functional and it has been working amazing, y'all. So with this wall organizer, I did it again, y'all. I didn't hold the organizer up right. I was having some muscle failure issues with my arms, but my husband made it work in the end. I am so grateful and thankful for him because he can literally do just about anything. So something was uneven and my husband had to like shorten the wood. So he did all of that. But this is what it's looking like. It looks so good, y'all. And I'm just super proud of myself because I really brought this vision to life. And now I'm just going to clean up all of this stuff right here with my vacuum cleaner. This is the Jasheen cordless vacuum cleaner, and if you are interested in this, I'll have this one linked in my description box too. Alright y'all, so I'm just finishing up adding everything in here in the closet, and I really hope you guys enjoyed the transformations and the small entryway makeover. We still have a long way to go, but I will make sure I keep you guys updated. So next I'm going to be sharing the full transformation of the entryway from the time we moved into this house. This is a closet. This is where our luggage and stuff is, and boxes. And then the broom. This will probably be the broom closet and the vacuum closet and all of that good stuff. In here it's pretty, it's a pretty nice size. In our shoes. Alright, so I think I know what I want to do with this space. So once you come in, you have the bathroom and the entryway. I'm going to set up a command station right inside of the storage closet. Once we get our furniture and stuff, all of this stuff will be gone. Right here is where I'm going to have the command station. I'm going to put some hooks right here. I'm only going to have 3 backpacks on here, so 3 hooks. And then I'm trying to decide if I want to do a shoe rack or do I want to do bins and label the bins for each kid. I think that one may be easier. Then I'm gonna put maybe like a board right here, like a family board, and that's my big vision so far, but that's what I want to do with this space right here. This is just a random day of how chaotic this room gets. It even gets worse than this, so it was much needed that I make over this space. Alright, so here is the final reveal of the small entryway makeover. I really hope you guys enjoyed the makeover and the transformations. I also hope you guys enjoyed cleaning with me. I know this didn't have that much cleaning motivation, but you can always check down in my description box for more cleaning motivation and laundry motivation. But thank you for being here, and I really appreciate each and every one of you guys. Drop me some green hearts down in the comment section, and I will see y'all on the next one, whether you are watching in the morning, the afternoon, or the evening. I really hope you guys have a good one.